Hey everybody.
Hey.
Welcome back to Coffee
Sometimes Tea
with Jen and Marcelo.
Marcelo.
Well, we're going to continue today on what journey?
Our journey for this half of the presentations for businesses is with Microsoft 365 PowerPoint using CoPilot.
Cool.
So when you are, it is paid in order to use the chat. So sorry, the CoPilot. It does have a $20 fee, same as ChatGPT4. So what you do is you want to get started. If you don't already, it's in the Bing down here, and then you'll open up. If you don't already have your 365, you'll go into the login. If you do already have it, you should have a little wheel. I believe on the right-hand side, but not quite sure. It depends on how you have your computer set up. Correct. Mine is to the right. Then what we'll do is we're going to hit PowerPoint presentation. And I'm just going to go quickly through this. I've been talking about this for a bit, so if you've seen any of the other videos, I go over the setup. So if you're not quite familiar, go ahead and watch some of those videos. I'll go over those with you. And then I'll be doing a deep dive into PowerPoint and CoPilot and really how to go through the presentation from start to finish. So we're going to go ahead and hit CoPilot. And then we're going to create a presentation. And then today you said you wanted to do chiropractor or dentist?
We're doing a chiropractor.
Chiropractor. We're going to go 8 slides.
Hopefully it does it.
Slide presentation for a office presenting to new clients. Okay, got to keep it simple. I talk about this all the time. If you are new, I just understand PowerPoint, CoPilot, it likes things simple. So we start here and go ahead, hit enter. It does take about a minute or two, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and hit start, and then we'll be right back.
Cool.
Okay, and we're back. Okay, so just took a moment there. So it gave us a nice start of an inside of an office for chiropractic. I don't know if any of you have ever been to a chiropractor. I have. I've been going pretty much my entire life. My grandfather actually was a chiropractor, which I thought was pretty cool when you said chiropractor. So I'm like, okay, that's awesome. So what CoPilot's done is it's kind of given us, I asked for 8 slides. So off to the left side, it has given us 8 slides. And so what we'll do is we'll just quickly go through here. So I'm going to close out this side of things. I'm going to open up the designer. The designer is where you can change things up, manage the slides, and the look and the feel of those slides. If you're like, okay, I like this, but is there something different? Yeah, there is. So let's click on a different picture and see what it looks like. Yeah, it's okay. Let's change it up one more time. Not too shabby. And we'll move on. And I'm kind of going into that blue theme because of the next slide. Correct. And then what is chiropractic care? And gives you, as a chiropractor, you're going to want to talk about what is the care, what are the treatments. You're presenting this to new clients. You want them to have a takeaway. You can put this on your website. It turns into a PDF. You can turn this into a YouTube presentation, have it on your site, let it talk for you. Yeah. And so that's not too shabby. Let's go ahead and change that out. And there you go, kind of a continuation of the first. And I'm doing this for a reason. I want to see if I can't carry this theme throughout the whole video or the whole slideshow for you. Right. Benefits. Okay. And there you go. So we kind of
walk straighter.
I have gone in. I don't know about you. And you can ask him. There have been days that I've had migraines so bad that I have to put the darkest glasses on, the hat. And I know all of you that have ever had these migraines knows. You go, this is just my opinion. I got treated. I came out with my glasses off. I still had a light headache, But I tell you, it was nothing, nothing. And he was there because he had to drive me to the benefits of that care, which was nice. Unfortunately, that chiropractor's not here anymore. He was great, though. I really liked him. So again, we're going to want to do like
pain and
talk about conditions, what you can treat. You're like, okay, that's great. No, but the fonts are too small. That's easy enough to do. Just a minor tweak. You just go up here to the little buttons here where it's on the home page up here. That's bigger, that's smaller. So when you're done, just kind of click off of that. It won't let you advance if you don't. And then again, you can just kind of go in, make a couple of minor adjustments. And I didn't do that in the beginning, so just do a couple here for you. And then go down, not too many slides here. Oh, wait, I know I didn't carry it through, so let's go back to the design mode. Make sure we carry that color throughout.
Right.
And let's do that one. Let's see. Yep, kind of goes through with that. And then we'll go here, approach to care. And let's see, we'll go there. And again, I'm doing this in real time. There's no pausing on this. I'm doing this as you are watching with me. I'm actually not even going to change the pictures this time. I'll change a picture because you might not know how. And you know, we want them to be able to know how.
Correct.
I'm pushing way too many buttons. Just a moment. Turn that off. Turn that on. Sorry, push the button. Nothing new. All right, let's do this one just a little bit different. I like that. Kind of gives you some motion in there. But you can, if you want, you can change out the picture and kind of have that blue theme carry through. Give this a increase. Click off. And then page down. Meet our team. And of course, this is where you take a picture of your team or your head chiropractors and your masseuse.
Correct.
I know that when I go get treatments, the local chiropractor, he does both. He has somebody that'll do massage therapy, and then oh my gosh, if you've ever done, I know he has it. I've never done stone therapy. Along with, oh my gosh, it was amazing.
He did stone therapy?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I never thought I would like it. I thought it was awesome. All right, well, let's spruce up the team a little bit here, give them a little extra flair. All right, go down. And then click and go down. And then, okay, so here, this is where you would want to schedule your appointment. And then I would say, contact us today, text, call, hours, website webs.
It really is what they call for.
I know. I can't spell hours. And then there you go. And then schedule your appointment. And then let's just go ahead and finish that up. No, I don't like that. We want to end it with what we started. And they're not giving shots at a chiropractor's office. So we need to change that. Again, to change a picture in PowerPoint, right click on the picture. Click on Change Picture. Click on Search Web. And then we're going to say Contact Us.
There you go.
I'm trying to keep it simple. Sure, why not? Oh, even better. Oh, you know what? Everybody has cell phones these days. Let's do something like that. There you go. Oh, you know what? You like the blue. Pick a button, pick a picture. Okay, perfect. Done. Kind of goes along with the theme. There you go. We're all done. Good. And in less than 10 minutes, you have yourself a full presentation, which as usual, we will do a faster overview so you can kind of see what it all comes together and it looks like in 8 slides or less, depending on how many you want. And again, you can take this, grab my notes,
It's pretty clean.
Download this. Obviously, these are going to be better pictures of your office, of your staff, of your ideas, your mission statement. And that was the one thing we did not do for them. We'll have to do a bonus
Other
round.
mission statements.
Okay, so we will be doing, for all of the PowerPoint presentations, make sure you join us because we did not cover this, your pitches. We're going to be doing the pitches. Usually we start out with the pitch, and then we build out the website.
Correct.
I'm so sorry, the presentation around your pitch. But this time, we really just wanted to get into the meats and potatoes of PowerPoint and how to use it. But we have a handful of pitches with our agent in ChatGPT. We will be having that in a bonus video coming up in the very near future for you. And let's go ahead and run through this presentation very quickly. These were the changes that we made. You can see we increased the font size, maybe not so much there. And again, you can go through. There is a way to highlight everything and change everything all together. And then contact us. You don't like the picture? You can change it.
Yeah.
But again, this is just a super fast overview of how things work, how you can bring things together, making something very quickly, and hopefully make your life a little bit easier, leveraging these assets to save you time to do more important things like increasing your business and being with your family.
Correct.
So don't forget to join us in where?
Our school.
Where?
It's our school community down below. Go ahead and click on that button and join us so we do some free presentations, dive deeper into AI and ChatGPT and all the tools that come with it.
Yep, it's how utilizing those tools and resources for your personal and business development. And make sure you join us, follow us. So here's cheers to you. We hope to see you again soon here at
Coffee?
Sometimes Tea.
Thanks, guys.